Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So you have to open your notification bar just like that, and when you are here, you have to simply click on the right upper corner. Then click to edit buttons, and right now we get here the standard buttons and additional one. If you want to remove, for example, the smart view, you have to click, hold, and then put it here. If you want to add additional icons like NFC model, click, hold, and then drag it in this place. As you can see, it's very simple. If you want to change position of the shortcuts, click, hold, and then replace them, just like that. If you want to save everything, just click down in the right bottom corner, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.